Welcome to the Introduction to Digital Systems. In this presentation, we will explore the fundamental concepts of digital versus analog systems and their applications in various fields. Let us begin by understanding what digital systems are and how they differ from their analog counterparts. Let's explore digital systems. Digital systems are systems that process information using discrete values. These values are typically represented as binary digits, zeros and ones. The foundation of digital systems lies in representing data using only two states, which are on represented by a 1 or off represented by a 0. This binary nature allows for precise and reliable processing of information in various applications, as shown here, where a series of ones and zeros represent a digital signal. Analog systems process information using continuous values, which can vary smoothly over a range. Unlike digital systems that use discrete values, analog systems handle signals that can take on any value within a given interval. This continuous nature makes analog systems suitable for representing real-world phenomena such as temperature, pressure, or sound, where values change gradually. A visual representation of an analog signal is shown here as a continuous wave. Here is a comparison between digital and analog systems. Digital systems use discrete values, offering high noise immunity, which means they are less susceptible to interference. They are easy to store and process, and allow for perfect reproduction of data. Analog systems, on the other hand, use continuous values and are susceptible to noise. They offer a natural representation of real-world signals, but may suffer from signal degradation during processing and transmission. Digital systems find applications across various industries. They are used in computers for processing and storage, in mobile devices for communication, and in industrial control for automation. Additionally, they are essential in gaming for entertainment, in automotive systems for electronic control units, and in medical equipment for diagnostics. Analog systems are essential in several applications as well. They are used in audio systems for music and sound processing, in radio for signal transmission, and in sensors for measuring temperature and pressure. They are also found in power systems for alternating current power distribution, in television for video signal processing, and in scientific instruments for measurement. Let's analyze the advantages and disadvantages of digital and analog systems. Digital systems offer noise immunity, making them robust against interference. They provide ease of processing and allow for perfect reproduction of data. However, they may suffer from quantization errors, require complex circuits, and consume higher power. Analog systems, on the other hand, offer a natural representation of signals, simple circuits, and low power consumption. However, they are susceptible to noise, experience signal degradation, and are difficult to store. Digital and analog systems represent two fundamental approaches to processing information in modern technology. Digital systems offer discrete values, high precision, and noise immunity. Analog systems, on the other hand, provide continuous values and a natural representation of real-world signals. Understanding both systems is essential for digital logic design. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.